Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Instagram account private. Well, this is a very easy thing to do. Just open your Instagram mobile application over your phone here. In the bottom right side corner, you will see a profile icon. On the top right, you will see the three horizontal lines. Tap on it. And here basically this is your account center and all the settings regarding your Instagram account, right? To turn your account into a private, go to your search bar and here you have to just type private. So if you're not able to find this option, you will find this option under account privacy, right? So if you're still not able to find it, account privacy, you can just go back here, again click on the three dots, and here you have to search for account privacy, which is this one. And here you can see that my account is right now public. So once I click on it, you can see business account can't be private. So my account is a business account right now. So if you have a normal account, you can just turn your account into a private account. But if you have a business account, first of all you have to convert your account into a normal account, then you will able to make your account private. So to convert my account into a normal account, I have to just go below here, and this is my account status, and after that I have to make a normal account, as you can see here. Then I will just go back and go to the account privacy and just turn it on. So once you turn it on, nobody will able to see your photos or the feeds which you have posted, right? Because your account has been made into a private account. So this is how you can make Instagram account private. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.